Three best friends rang a doorbell and ran. It was a prank. The kind kids have played for generations. But the man inside did not think it was funny. Riverside County, California. A quiet residential street. Daniel Hawkins, Drake Ruiz, and Jacob Iwascu, 16 years old. Best friends. Inseparable. The kind of kids who lived for laughing. That night they had piled into a car with three others, going nowhere in particular. Just a summer evening. But one house on that street had the wrong person behind the door. They rang the bell. They ran. They laughed. Therefore, the homeowner heard it. But he didn't call the police. He didn't ignore it. He walked to his car, started the engine, and pulled out of the driveway. He found their car on the road. Therefore, he followed. But following wasn't enough. He accelerated. He closed the distance. And then, intentionally, he rammed into them. The car went off the road. Daniel, Drake, Jacob were killed on impact. Three boys who had been laughing minutes before. Aniraj Chandra was charged with murder. He appeared in court. But when the families of the three boys looked at him, he showed no emotion. Not once. Therefore, their parents buried three 16-year-olds over a doorbell. At the sentencing, Drake's mother stood up. She said her son's main priority in life was making people laugh. Therefore, she looked directly at Chandra and said, "He was joy, and you took that. For what?" But Chandra said nothing. The same silence he had shown from the beginning. The same silence that answered everything. Somewhere tonight, kids are playing ding-dong ditch. They don't know which door not to ring.